Stop watching AI and start building it. This hands-on AI agent mastery course takes you from theory to production in just 4 weeks. You'll gain lifetime access and build over 15 production-ready agents. It's time to cross the line from knowing about AI to building autonomous systems. Most courses focus on syntax, but real jobs demand complete systems. Many developers get stuck in tutorial hell, creating code that breaks in production or lacking the scale training needed for senior roles. The gap between tutorials and production engineering is vast. Staying in tutorial hell means missing the AI engineering boom. You risk being stuck at a junior level and earning below your market value. This course provides a path to becoming a senior AI engineer in 4 weeks, with a production portfolio ready for employers. Our hands-on AI agent mastery course is production ready from day 1. You will build 15+ real agents, learn system design principles for scalable architecture, and gain career-ready skills fast. This intensive 4-week program includes free lifetime access. You will build real-world agents like a research and reporting agent, a personal travel planner, and a coding assistant crew. These are real portfolio pieces, not toy demos, using frameworks like LangChain, CrewAI, and LangGraph for real impact. Take a deep dive into projects like the collaborative coding assistant crew. This complex system uses a planner, coder, and tester agent in a feedback loop. You'll master fully autonomous code generation, self-testing pipelines, and state machine architecture with LangGraph. Learning is hands-on from hour 1. Our daily structure is engineered for mastery. 20 minutes for a core concept, 90 to 120 minutes of building, 20 minutes of debugging, and a 10-minute architectural review. Every day is building, not watching. Developers are achieving real results. Students have moved from copy-pasting tutorials to designing full agent systems, building production-grade internal tooling, and landing senior AI roles within months. These testimonials highlight the shift to a production-first mindset. Follow our 4-week learning roadmap. Week 1 covers single agent building blocks, leading to your first deployed agent. Weeks 2 and 3 focus on reasoning, memory, and multi-agent collaboration. By week 4, you will have a full production deployed portfolio. Everything you need to go from learner to builder is included. 20 days of hands-on lessons, 15+ agent projects with full source code, lifetime access, private community access, and a certificate of completion. All of this is 100% free. Start building AI agents that think, plan, and act autonomously. Join a growing community, build production systems in 4 weeks, and gain a portfolio ready for employers. With lifetime access and full source code, you can enroll free now. SystemDR provides production-ready skills for modern developers. Visit www.systemdrd.com to enroll for free. The course URL is systemdrd.com/courses/hands-AI-agent-system-design/. For any questions, contact SDR at systemdrd.com.